Hey everyone, let me show you the free hosting where you can host your website and portfolio. So let me show you the website name, and that is the Byte host. Okay, so you just need to open the Byte byet dot host. Okay, and then you need to click on the get free hosting now here, and then you need to create an account, and it's totally free of cost. You just need to enter your subdomain, so like the coding bus, okay, and the password you can put whatever you want, cb@gmail.com, and you need to select the category. So I'm going to create a personal. Site language will be the English. Security is like 08E3 like 4, like this, and then just click on the register. Once you register, you will receive an email, okay, to verify your account. And once you verify this, you will receive a cPanel credentials. Okay, now how we can log in into this? So it's very simple. Let's go to the login. Here we have the username and the password. Click on login. You will receive that in your email. Okay, now, here we have a cPanel and it's totally free of cost. In the right side, you will see my domain, the codingbuzz.bytehost10.com. Okay. Now, if you want to host your websites, how can I host it? So it's very simple. You can open, suppose let's try the DeepSeek. Here's one prompt like free portfolio website in one page, travel website, multiple section with animations. So here I have one file. Let me just download this. Okay. Now I have this file, or you can just copy that code like this. Go to your cPanel here and click on Online File Manager. Click on this and make sure you need to go into the htdocs, and then here you need to create one file. I already have created a file that is name is index.html. Let me just delete this and let me show you how you can create it. Okay, like this. So you need to go here, and in the left side you'll see here the option of new file, and then use the index.html. Make sure the file name should be the index.html and create an edit. And just paste your code here and just save it. Save it. Or you can just click on the save and close. Done to your cPanel, and we know we have this URL. Copy this URL. Go here. Okay. Go in the incognito or here and just open this. Okay. And you can see this is your live website. Fantastic. Okay. So you hosted your website free of cost. Okay, using the cPanel with the free hosting. You can create here a database. As you can see here, the MySQL database you can create 80,000 something. Bandwidth is unlimited. So you can try this hosting and let me know if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.